All right, now that you know what a lead generation campaign does, we're going to hop over to what a traffic campaign does. Now, a traffic campaign sends traffic from your Facebook ad to a specific landing page. Now, this could be a landing page on your website. It can be a landing page on Leadpages or Instapage or ClickFunnels or whatever. And I'm going to go over that really quick. So I'm going to continue with the Medicare example. I'm going to also hop on with the wedding traffic campaign, okay? So we set the campaign level. You guys know how to do that. We come over to the ad set, and then we see Medicare traffic ad set here, and this is where we defined our audience. So the audience is for the traffic, Medicare traffic campaign is the same audience we're targeting in the Medicare lead gen campaign. Basically, is people turning 65 and they're in a couple of months from now. The other one I think was Texas. This one is Florida. But basically the same idea. When you come over to the ad itself, we're going to, now the traffic campaign is going to have a different type of ad. Oops, I think I need to relabel this one. Okay, and then you should be in the ads tab. So Medicare traffic ad. We're going to edit this. And now let me start pre-populating this. Okay, so this is my Facebook page here, my Facebook page here, and my Instagram page. I'm going to leave this here, add with an image or video. Down here, we're going to pick video slideshow, and this is where you can create a slideshow is a bunch of pictures with images. All right, you can create a slideshow with a voiceover if you want. You'll have to create it on some external software, and a video you would just create on here. If you don't have video editing software, you could go to a company called Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, and pay someone $5 to do your editing. Okay, so I'm going to just pick any video here. Let's pick the same one as before, just so that you guys can see it populate. And obviously your message is going to be completely different than this one. I'm not even going to play this one. It's just for demo purposes. Okay, so coming down here, this video is longer than the 60 seconds, so we cannot use it for video. Oh, well. Give me a second. Oh, this is why feature phone. I need to get on to whatever a mobile phone's going to look like. Okay, so remember, your videos need to be less than 60 seconds. This is only 17 seconds, so it will show on Instagram if we choose to. I'll fill up some. Okay, so I went ahead and filled out this information. As you can see here, Francisco Mesa, the marketing guru, is not going to be yours. This is going to be your Facebook page, actually. So again, it's a sponsored link. Attention, Florida, turning 65 and need, okay, typo, need help filling out obviously I did this so fast, your Medicare application. Use our Florida approved Medicare assistance program. Now, you guys, for those of you who are in some federal program or state program, I'm sure there are some legal things that you can and cannot say. So it's free. Watch our video or call us at 555. Click the Learn More button for information. We will take the confusion out of applying for Medicare. Okay, so this can be for, instead of Medicare, if you're a CPA, you would be talking to business owners, targeting B2B, talking to them about the best practices for reducing taxes or overhead. If you're a lawyer, you could be targeting people and telling them what to do. But basically, the objective of this ad here is to get people off of Facebook and onto your landing page, okay? So right here, we added that image, or we added that video. I'm sending people to a website. Here's the text, attention Florida, attention Florida. Now I created a landing page here, copied and pasted. Now I send people, in many of these cases, I send people to something called Leadpages. I don't build a page on my website or on my clients' websites. This is basically a builder here, and I could just drag and drop features of what I want. So for instance, if I want a new line over here somewhere, then I'm able to do that. Right, so this is basically a page builder. Okay, I'm not going to go through the process of this stuff, but this is pretty self-explanatory here. You just pick the stuff like you want. A headline, boom, that's a headline. You want a text, here's a little bit of text. You want to put an image, a video, then you come down here and you put video somewhere here, or HTML. I don't know, somewhere around here. Oh, here it goes, video. Okay, and put a button. So, and then text down here, and then whatever the information. Obviously, this is for demo purposes. So, what does this look like? This is what the mobile version will look like, and it resizes depending on whatever device the person is on. So, most people are going to be on their mobile phone, and they're going to click this button, and bam, pops up a first name, phone number, and email address, and then enroll me in Medicare Now. So using this software on Leadpages, and I'm going to give you the URL. Just go ahead if you're going to use Leadpages. There's other companies too, but Leadpages, you're not going to need anything more than this. You don't need to be paying $100 a month or anything. So Leadpages is way more cheaper than ClickFunnels, and I use this. So, and what I like about it is even down to the buttons, you can help increase your chances for conversions or getting a lead. So enroll me in Medicare Now. So this is going to forward to your phone, to your email address. And in the settings, what you would do, you would go to your main settings on Leadpages and just kind of like confirm your information. I'm going to do this in another video for the sake of time. So it would be somewhere in here that you would change, or under integrations. And then you would just pick lead notifications and you enter in your information, your email and stuff. Okay, so coming back here to the ad. So free assistance for Medicare people. I don't know. My eyes gravitate to the big bold part. Maybe it's not that big, but it's bold. And then down here, there's something called the Facebook Pixel. Now, when I click this is just my demo account for Planet Marketing. Ignore that ABC golf course pixel. But when we do a pixel, we're going to want to track how many times people fill out this form. Once they fill out this form, it's going to go to a thank you page. And then that Facebook pixel is going to trigger. And then you could see how much it costs you per lead. That's the awesome thing about these marketing campaigns. You can start up like 20 marketing campaigns and then shift money based off of from the loser campaigns and pump them back into the winner campaigns. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. You can optimize your ad spend based off of what's working. Okay, and if it's not working, hey man, that's just as important. I mentioned one of the other videos. I have a client who I've been running the same ad for about 6 years. It's coming on 7 years now. And this is how I track. That's how I track through pixels. Okay, now coming back here, you would hit publish and launch it. So kind of to recap on this Medicare traffic ad before we head on to the wedding one. You're going to start off here on the Medicare traffic. It's going to push you over here to create the audience. And then you're going to come over to the ad. You're going to create the ad and show that specific ad to your target audience. And then this is what it's going to look like. All right. So again, you can get all the way down in here. Yes, you should put on the pixel. Most likely that you're going to need a web developer, or maybe someone on Fiverr can help you out, or even I can help you out. But this ad's going to be showing to your target audience. Okay, now over to the wedding venues. Okay, so we're targeting women here because they are the decision makers in here. Oops, not the ad. I want to go to the ad set right here. Okay, targeting women who are 22 to 30 years old and show them. Damn. Sorry about that. I'm just going to show you the real thing here. So here's one of my clients, Chula Vista Golf Courses, so wedding traffic ad. So we're targeting women 23 to 35 years old, and they're going to have a wedding within 3 months. And this is the videos. These are the videos. Let's see, edit. And so when you're creating the video, this is what it would start off in. The format is the same, very similar in most campaigns. So we got a video here. Congratulations on your engagement. Wedding room rental waived at the Chula Vista Golf Course. Watch the video, call us, share with a friend, like or comment. Okay, and then the information down here. And then I have this in the pixel. So
Congratulations on your engagement. Now it's time to select your wedding venue. The Chula Vista Golf Course will waive your wedding room rental if you book here. Our golf course offers a...
Okay, so someone's going to click the Learn More button, and then they're going to go to a landing page. They're going to go to a landing page like this, and this one I created on Leadpages. I do not touch the Chula Vista Golf Course's website, nor do I want to touch their site. So I start off with the solution to their problem up here, waive the wedding room rental. And again, I'm targeting women who are engaged. And no matter what industry you're in, kind of follow this format. That's what got them to click on the ad. Show a picture. Here's the contact information. And for those that are shy, they can fill out the contact form. So then I show more pictures of the stuff. Some people, I don't know, maybe you could put happy customers in here if you're in a service-based industry. If you are running a bar or something, show a bunch of stuff in here. Happy people having drinks and stuff like that. Okay, and again, this just resizes, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or a desktop. Really quick, here's a traffic ad for birthdays. I'm targeting people who are turning, 50 years old or 60 years old. They're the ones that actually pay and celebrate their major birthdays. And then I even have slideshows for some of these. Music in the background and just putting up some images. So that's the most type of images that I try to stick away from stock images. I know the first one was a 60-year-old, but that catches people's eyes. Okay, but I use a lot of video in these. Let me rephrase that. I use video over 90% of the time in over all the clients that I have for the Facebook ads. Okay, so the next video that I'm going to show you is a messenger campaign for your Facebook ads. This is pretty awesome. Stay tuned.